So this storm will not only be increasing in strength, but also size here today, and that's going to put rain bands in our area starting later on this afternoon. Currently, the radar is showing showers and thunderstorms over Miami-Dade County and right off of our coastline. So far, all the heavy rain has been offshore. We're watching down there near the alley as we're going to have some rain start to lift north. So if you're making the commute over to Broward County and even out towards Ave Maria and Immokalee, we may see some rain here in the next little bit, but just some light showers between Naples and Marco so far here on this Wednesday morning. Later on today, though, we do expect those rain bands to begin to pick up, and you can see lunchtime cloudy and breezy, and then here come the more substantial rain bands as we go through the afternoon and especially the evening hours as they start to pull to the north as Helene starts to make its closest approach to southwest Florida here on Thursday. There's a look at midnight, so we're going to see on and off showers and storms throughout the night, picking up there for Thursday, which will be the day that we see the most impacts. Our temperatures this morning, upper 70s with low 80s, and right now the wind, it's a little gusty out there. We've seen gusts in the mid-teens already, but look at this. As we go throughout the afternoon, here's 5 o'clock. Winds will be gusting 25 miles per hour coming in out of the southeast. By tomorrow morning, they're going to pick up a little bit more. This is a look at 5 a.m., but by 5 p.m., when we see the peak, the computer model here is showing 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts with 170 there along the coast. So we do expect it to be very, very windy here tomorrow with tropical storm force conditions. We are under a tropical storm warning and a storm surge warning, also a flood watch here until further notice. So with the storm itself, the center is sitting about 50 miles, give or take, off of the Yucatan. And then this last image, notice how symmetrical the storm looks now and that little feathering effect along the edge. Unfortunately, this is indicating to us that the storm is organizing. There is no longer that southwesterly shear impacting the storm, and now it is going to be off to the races, not only with speed, but a rapid intensification as well. Still a tropical storm this morning with winds of 65 miles per hour, and it's moving northwest at 9. The forecast track still has the center of the storm heading towards the Panhandle with that closest approach as a major Category 3 hurricane. Forecast right now has winds of 120 miles per hour. At the biggest point here, this storm is going to be massive. We're looking at a wind field 400 to 500 miles across. So this morning, we now have tropical storm warnings that go up the east coast of the state because of the impacts that are going to be felt off to the eastern side, which is what we call the dirty side of the storm. That's where we have the most wind, the most storm surge, and even as the storm makes landfall late Thursday, that tropical storm force wind field will still be near southwest Florida and starting to pull north. Here's a little different look at the representation with a future look at radar and cloud cover. Here's tomorrow morning, and you can see those rain bands pulling in out of the south as the hurricane continues to march there towards the Big Bend of the state. Storm surge warnings from the Big Bend all the way down through the southern tip of the state. So today is the day we start to see the showers and storms and debris pick up. Tomorrow will be the biggest impacts, and as the storm rapidly moves out, Friday we begin to see that wind relax, and we'll get back to afternoon showers and storms over the weekend.